Another way to deal with conditionals is the switch statement. The switch statement is similar to the if statement, but it has a different scope. So in switch statement, we don't have ranges to deal with. For example, x is greater than 50 or less than 100. No, here we deal with specific values of the variables. So like we see here, for example, we have a circle here, and we have a rectangle, triangle, and a circle. So the circle will be checked. So the circle will be checked against each one of those three holes, and the one that matches it will be used. So here we can say, for example, that we get a letter grade from the user, and based on this letter grade, we can give him a message that is telling him what is his rank between the students. So for example, we can say scanner input equals new scanner system dot in. Then we can say integer grade equals input dot next int. So we can say first system dot out dot print line, please enter a value between 1 and 5. This is an example. So here I will show the user a message, and then he will enter a value, and this value will be inserted into the variable grade. So the switch statement goes like this. We can say switch, and then the name of the variable, switch grade. Then we open a curly bracket and say case, for example, 1 system.out.println, the value is 1. Let's try this, run, enter the value 1, so the value is 1. Then we say case 2, the same happens here, system.out.println, the value is 2. So here if I run and enter the value 2, the value is 2. But here, like we see, if I run and enter the value 1, he said the value is 1 and the value is 2. Why? Because in the switch case statement, you must add something that's called a break, and this break tells the system to stop executing the program after meeting the criterion. So here if I write break, this means that if case 1 is satisfied, do not go to case 2. But without the break, when case 1 is satisfied, he will continue the program and run case 2. So here if I run case 1, the value is 1, case 2, the value is 2. Then we can say case 3, system.out, the value is 3. Then let's add case 4 and case 5. This is case 4. Of course, here is an error because case 3 is repeated 2 times. You cannot have the same case 2 times. 5, this is case 5. Okay, if I run here, can you expect the output? Yes, if I insert the value 1 or 2, he will print all those statements. Why? Because I didn't add any break. So let's say the value is 1. The value is 1, he will break after it because we have a break. If the value is 2, like you see, he will continue because I didn't add a break after the value 2. So here I can say break. After 3, I should say break. After 4, I should say break. After 5, I should say break. So this is my case. Okay, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. So like we said, the switch case statement is similar to the if statement, but it is better used in systems which have specific values. The value is either, for example, true or false. The value is either 1, 2, or 3. We have specific values, and we don't have ranges or infinite number of values.